how to connect to any Wi-Fi without using password. This method is real. All you have to do is just follow these steps, and in the end of this video you will know how to connect to any Wi-Fi without using password. This video is for educational purposes only, okay? Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button to support my channel. So the first step, you go to settings, click on settings, and then here click on connections, and then click on the Wi-Fi options. And here I'm going to want you to click on the Wi-Fi you want to connect to. As for me, mine is taking a lot of time to load. Okay, let me refresh it. You have to click on the Wi-Fi you want to connect to. I'm going to show you, this video is for educational purposes only, okay? So I'm just going to click on this one because I want to connect to it. As you can see, it requires me to put the password, but I'm not going to use the password. I'm just going to show you the method without using password, okay? So click on advanced, and then in IP settings, change it to static, okay? And here I'm going to want you to follow these steps, okay? In IP address, input this code 192.168.168.1.1, okay? And then in gateway, I'm going to need to put this code. Just grab this one and just put this code that I'm going to show you, 192.168.0.0, okay? And then in prefix length, input this code. If it's 24, just grab it and put this code that I'm going to show you. Change it to 30, okay? I'm just going to change it to 30, okay? And then in DNS1, input this code 8.8.0.0, okay? And then in DNS2, input this code 8.8.4.4, okay? And then in proxy, change it to manual, okay? And then in proxy hostname, input proxy.wps.com, okay? And then in proxy port, input 8080, okay? And here in bypass, if it asks you for this one, just input. If it asks, whoa, input proxy.wps2, okay? wps2.com. And then after that, either click connect or save. As for me, I'm just gonna click save. As for yours, you might click connect, okay? As you can see, I have connected without using any Wi-Fi password. So if this method worked for you, make sure you subscribe, and if it didn't, because I know it won't work for some other phones, make sure you check my other videos, which is gonna help you connect to any Wi-Fi. I guarantee you, any Wi-Fi without using password or a router. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.